Hello. So this is our school email right there. And what I do, I go to Google Apps and then I try to select Google Forms. So you can have it here. So this is Google Forms. I go to Google Form and you have a different template to start from. You have assessment, exit ticket, blank quiz, and worksheets, and you have many more. You can have it all here. So what we care about is, for example, I'm just going to go to assessment. Okay. Okay, so this is the assessment. And I'm going to add a description for my assessment. So the assessment, I will call it vocabulary, lunch money, or instead of lunch money, I think it's lesson 13, lesson 16 maybe, I'm not sure. So lesson 16, so the description, I'm going to write, for example, answer each question carefully. So just very fast, carefully. So you have the name. So the name, it's a short answer, okay? Of course, you're not gonna put a multiple choice, it's a short answer. And then you have an email. So the thing is, there is, if you notice, there is this star next to email. Can you see this star next to email, which means it's a required question. They can't skip it. They're required to answer this question. Now, quiz questions. Okay, I'll keep it. Either you can keep it, okay, you can keep this section, or you want to delete it. I want to delete it and I want to add a section myself. So I'm going to, you see this here, you can add a section, import questions, you can import questions, you can add title and description. So I'm just going to add a title. So the title would be multiple choice, and I'm just going to name it A, for example, A, multiple choice. Okay. So my first question, let's say, how many syllables in the word feature? Okay. Okay, so it's a multiple choice. Again, I can check box. You can change it. Even if you've written the question, you can still change it. If you want it drop down, okay. If you want it, they upload a file which is not going to be. So this is a scale, for example, from 1 to 5. This is really good in exit ticket. You can ask them from 1 to 5, like your understanding of them. 1 being very little, 5 being excellent, your understanding of the lesson or whatever it is. Okay, so multiple choice grid, and then tick box grid, you have all of those. So I'm just going to go to multiple choice because it is multiple choice. And how many syllables in the word feature? I'm going to write 6 syllables. And here I'm going to write 2 syllables. And option 3, I'm just going to write 1 syllable. Okay. So I want to put an answer key, and this is 1 point. So I'm going to put 2 syllables as an answer key. You go to answer key, and this is the correct answer. Okay. And an answer feedback, if it's incorrect, I'm going to tell them, oops, think again. This is incorrect answer, okay? How about if it was correct? I'm just going to, if it's correct, for example, bravo, okay? Save it, right? And I'm going to, okay, it's not 2 points, it's 1 point. 1 point is good, and done. There you go. So the first question, this is what you see. You're going to see this tick, which means number 2 is correct. You chosen an answer key, and this is for the multiple choice questions.